Austin Rivers.
Austin James Rivers, born August 1, 1992, is an American professional basketball player who plays for the New Orleans Hornets of the NBA. Rivers led Winter Park High School to back-to-back Florida 6A state championships in 2010 and 2011. He also played in the 2011 Nike Hoop Summit for the USA national team, and the 2011 McDonald's All-American Game. Rivers was one of the top-rated high school basketball players in the class of 2011, being rated as high as number 1 by Rivals.com. On September 30, 2010, Rivers committed to Duke University. His father, Doc Rivers, coaches the Boston Celtics and is a former NBA player. His older brother, Jeremiah Rivers, has played for KK Mega Vizura in Serbia. His older sister, Collie Rivers, played volleyball for the University of Florida.
High school.
Rivers was ranked number 1 by Rivals.com, while being rated as the number 3 player by ESPN and Scout.com. In 2010, Rivers led Winter Park High School to the school's first state title in a 76-57 win against Dr. Phillips High School in the 6A state championship. Rivers scored 23 points in the game. In June 2010, Rivers was a part of the gold medal winning team at the FIBA America's U18 Championship. He set a Team USA record for an U18 event with 35 points against Canada. On August 5, 2010, Rivers was named to the 5th annual Boost Mobile Elite 24 game, where he was named co-MVP. He had 25 points, 4 rebounds, and 4 assists. On March 5, 2011, Rivers led Winter Park to back-to-back Florida 6A state championships with a 52-44 victory over Dr. Phillips High School, in which he had 25 points, 11 rebounds, and 4 steals. Rivers was named the 2011 Naismith Prep Player of the Year on March 10, 2011. He was also an All-American and All-State guard. In addition, he played at the 2011 Nike Hoop Summit and on the USA national team.
College career.
Rivers committed to Duke on September 30, 2010, over Kansas and North Carolina. His commitment was widely covered by ESPN and various other sports networks given his status as the class of 2011's top recruit. As a freshman, Rivers played in Duke's exhibition games in China and Dubai during an international tour in August 2011. In the first game against the China men's national basketball team, Rivers scored 18 points on 8-15 shooting and led Duke to a 77-64 victory. In the second game, also against the Chinese national team, Rivers scored 12 points in a 78-66 victory, making several dunks during the first half. In the final game played in Beijing, China, Rivers chipped in 11 points as Duke topped the Chinese, 93-78. 1. In his team's 86-66 victory over the Dubai national team, he scored 16 points, including 10 in the second quarter, on an array of impressive drives. On February 8, 2012, his three-point basket as time expired allowed Duke to overcome an 82-72 deficit with 2 minutes to play in an 85-84 victory over the University of North Carolina. The victory ended North Carolina's 31-game winning streak at the Dean Smith Center. On March 16, 2012, Austin's college career ended in the round of 64 inches of the NCAA tournament, when Duke lost to Lehigh University. Rivers shot 5-14 from the field, while playing 34 minutes. Lehigh led for most of the game, earning their first NCAA tournament victory.
NBA career.
On March 26, 2012, Duke announced that Rivers was foregoing his final 3 years of college and entering the NBA draft. Rivers wrote on Twitter, "I just want to thank all the fans that have supported me this year. It was so fun playing there and becoming a part of the Duke family. I appreciate everybody and the support y'all have given me. Duke Nation has truly made me a better person and player." Duke number 1. Rivers, with the number 10 pick in the first round of the 2012 NBA Draft, was selected by the New Orleans Hornets on June 28, 2012. Rivers chose to wear the number 25 jersey, the same number his dad wore when he was in the NBA. The night before, Rivers said, "I want to be like my dad, only better." Joining him as a rookie on the Hornets was Anthony Davis, the first overall pick of the draft. On July 24, Rivers agreed on a 3-year deal with the Hornets.
Personal life.
Rivers is the son of Boston Celtics head coach Doc Rivers and Kristen Rivers. Doc and Kristen Rivers, née Campion, met in 1979 while freshmen at Marquette University. His older brother, Jeremiah, played basketball for Georgetown before transferring to play for Indiana, while his older sister Collie played volleyball for the University of Florida and currently plays professionally in Puerto Rico. His younger brother, Spencer, is a guard who currently plays for Winter Park High School.
Awards honors.
2010 FIBA America U18 Champion, 2010 FIBA America U18 MVP, 2010 Boost Mobile Elite Team Selection, 2010 Boost Mobile Elite Quo MVP, 2011 Naismith Prep Player of the Year Award, 2011 Morgan Wooten Player of the Year Award winner, 2011 McDonald's All-American Team Selection, 2011 Jordan Brand High School All-American Team Selection, 2011 Nike Hoop Summit, 2011 Albanian Next Freshman Team Select.